Bacon with Vixen, bacon with Vixen, bacon with Vixen. Right, hey guys. So today we're going to bake. We're going to do something that is intimidating to me. Um, as you can see, the weather here in New York is shitty. It's raining. I don't know, but I decided to make something that I feel make you feel nice and warm inside on a day like this. So we're gonna make peach cobbler with fresh peaches. Hmm. I'm gonna just eat my sandwich real quick, and then I'm gonna meet y'all in the kitchen. All right. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. BRB. So we're in the kitchen. Today we're going to make peach cobbler. I've never made peach cobbler before. This is my first time making it, and I decided that, yeah, I'm going to make it from scratch. So we're going to use, hold on, some fresh peaches. And yeah, so I'm not going to front y'all. I'm nervous. I'm not going to lie. I am nervous because I'm gonna tell you why I'm nervous, and then we're gonna get straight into the process of everything. But I'm nervous because baking is totally different than cooking. When you bake, you know what I'm saying, you gotta be on point. You can't be playing around. You know what I'm talking about? Hold on, y'all. Hold on. I've been wanting to do this for a minute. Right? I've been wanting to do this. But yeah, so like I was saying, when you're baking, you can't play around. I remember one year for Christmas, I decided I wanted to bake a pound cake from scratch, and I'm like, oh, it should be easy. Like, just follow the directions. And I think I missed one little measurement of something, and it messed up the whole cake. And after that, I'm not gonna lie, I was discouraged, and I never baked from scratch again. Like it was just like, if it ain't food that I'm baking, then I don't. So, but we're gonna try it. It's like, come on, like just like my ancestors is gonna be here with us while we're doing this. Plus, y'all here. Do y'all like my glasses? If y'all do, y'all can get them out of my card on TikTok shop. I'll put my showcase in the description box. But yeah, anyway, back to what I was saying. So we're gonna make peach cobbler. Okay. And it's cold and raining here in New York. Saturday will be the first day of summer. Hopefully, the weather be good then. But right now, it's cold. I showed y'all it's gloomy. It's just so this peach cobbler should make us feel good. I don't have no ice cream to go with it, but that's besides the point. All right, so come on, y'all. I'm going to bring y'all in close. I'm gonna put y'all at what do they call it? POV. I'm gonna put y'all at POV. So hold on. BRB. All right, guys. So as you can see here, I put my instructions in a notebook. I was gonna print it out, and I probably still will, but I'm going to follow these step by step. So it's saying prep time is 30 minutes, cook time is 30 minutes, total time is an hour, and it's 6 servings. Okay. Um, yeah. I don't know why I feel so much pressure, y'all, but okay, we're gonna start, all right? But I just wanted to show y'all. my you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I think I'm gonna peel the peaches. I don't know. BRB. All right. Okay, so y'all seen everything that I did, and I'm not gonna lie, I got bruised up. A peach fell on me right here. I don't know if y'all can see that little stain there. And then I burnt myself. It's whatever, because I'm trying to be in here like all cute, like housewives, housewife vibes. It smells amazing. I can't wait to see how it came out. Wish me luck, y'all, because I told y'all this is not my strong suit. But let's see. I want to look at it. It smells so good. Okay, I mean, yeah, I think it still has to go. It's gonna go to like 10, and it's like 9:40 something. So I'm gonna finish letting that cook, but I was just checking in with y'all and just letting y'all know that it's doing what it needs to do. Right, I'm gonna nip slip. Okay, right, what's this? Bacon with Vixen. Bacon with Vixen. Bacon with Vixen. I'm gonna master all the things that I'm not good at. Bacon is one of those things that I'm not confident in, but tonight I think you know what I mean? And it's steak. So those are the two things that we're going to master together. Okay? So yeah. But yeah. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. All right, I'm back. Let me check and see what we looking like. All right. I mean, let's take it out. Oh, is that hot? That is hot. I need to invest in some new oven mitts. But yeah, let's take this out. Oh, this is on? Bro, we wildin'. I be in this kitchen bugging out. Okay. All right, Peach Cobbler. Ooh, I'm gonna put it back here. All right. My recipe. Um, it's really hot, so hold on. Let me see. I think I could slide this in here. Right, production is hooking me up. Okay. And let me get the other oven mitt. Dang, they slamming the door. All right. Okay, so this is how it came out. Is the light too bright? The light might be a little too bright. Let's see. All right, so this is how it came out, right? I mean, I like. Oh, let me hold it from the bottom. I don't want to drop it. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I feel like for my first time, because I've never made peach cobbler before, I feel like for my first time, this is good. So I'm gonna wait till it cools down and then cut it and stuff. I'm not cutting it right now. It needs to cool. Let me turn this oven off because it's hot. It was hot. But I don't want it to like dry out. So I'm like rapidly thinking of what I can do with it. Cause I'm like, should I put it in a microwave? Should I like put aluminum foil over it or something and like cover it so it can stay moist? Cause I don't want it to dry out. I'm gonna cover it with this. I mean, it's not like OD. Well, let me. We. I'm like, oh no. But I got something else in the microwave too. Like I'm just microwaved out today. I probably shouldn't have had that in the microwave. Right? And cover it like that. I need to clean my microwave, y'all. I want to get like a deep clean. Okay. So, thank you for. Let me take that out. Anyway, thank you for baking with me and making a peach cobbler. Because, like I told y'all, that's not my strong suit. But, you know, y'all gonna hold me down. So, y'all helped me down today, and I appreciate it. What I was gonna say. I'll, of course, cut it once it's cool. And I think I want to have it with like some vanilla ice cream or something. So, I'm gonna do that. But, yeah, thanks for tuning in. And yeah, see you at the next episode of Baking with Vixen. Baking with Vixen. Baking with Vixen. Right? I think that little saying is so cute. Kaya did her thing with that. But yeah, TTYL. And oh, we're back. Right, so it's the next day, y'all. I had to wait for it to cool and I was tired. But this is, wait. Oh, it's bright. Hold on. Hold on, hold on. Let me turn down the lights. Turn the light them down. Okay. Okay. Kevin, that's yours? Oh, no, I was just making sure. All right, can y'all see this? Okay, so we're gonna try it. Right, I didn't know whether to use a fork or a knife. I mean, or a spoon, so I'm using a fork. All right, this is the peaches. Mm, and the crust. Okay. Mm, with the ice cream. And I got pistachio ice cream, by the way. Hmm. Yeah. Not too bad for my first time. I know I'm holding this little makeshift kitchen mic. Okay. Yeah. I'm talking about any. Any. I gotta try it like a few more times so I can get it down packed. But thanks for watching. Um, this came out mad good. Like super good. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.